My name's John Meyer, Associate Director with Origin Digital. Origin Digital is the division within Origin trying to enhance youth mental health services using the best that technology has to offer. Wanted to provide a bit of an update on three key things from our recent work. Number one, our expanding role in the youth mental health sector. Number two, the rapid growth of our flagship moderated online social therapy platform. And thirdly, some future opportunities ahead of us. Beginning with our current role in the sector, just to emphasise that Origin Digital is focused on enhancing youth mental health services. And thinking back to the Royal Commission into Youth Mental Health, they really identified that we really have an antiquated system at present, and there's a big opportunity to use technology better to enhance these youth mental health services we're trying to support. And that's what Origin Digital has been trying to do intensively over the past few years. Very pleased at Origin Digital to have had amazing partners along the way. Of course, the Colonial Foundation has been instrumental, but also over many, many years, we've had a rich partnership with the Telstra Foundation, and that continues to this day. We've expanded our work with state governments now across Victoria, New South Wales, the ACT, and Queensland as well. So we're really excited to have a huge amount of support from state government and also other philanthropic partners, such as the Queensland Children's Hospital Foundation, have really been instrumental in expanding our work up north. So, as I said, our mission is really about enhancing youth mental health services using technology, and we do this in three ways, really. We build an evidence base, so we undertake research, we innovate, we design and we prototype new services, and then finally, we deliver on that. We take those prototypes and those services to scale to reach as many young people as we can. So, the second thing I wanted to touch on was the growth and the impact of our moderated online social therapy platform, or MOST for short. MOST is a one-stop shop for young people to come online, access modules of therapy, a safe, moderated social network where they can talk with each other and get support from peer workers, and also access one-on-one support from professionals, so therapists, career consultants, and those peer workers. All comes together on a single platform, and it's available to young people in their pocket in a mobile optimized tool. We've had an amazing uptake of MOST in the past year. We started our service rollout in Victoria with the generous support of the Victorian government. And we're already pleased to be in more than 95% of eligible youth mental health services, so delivering through Headspace centres and also specialist services. So the uptake has been really, really exciting. In terms of young people, we've had thousands referred already to the platform, and more than 1,500 young people have come on and benefited from this new innovative support. So, in terms of the speed of our growth, we really have been ramping things right up. To give you a sense of that, we were really just a series of research trials before the past year, and with the support from our state government funders, we're now delivering at scale live in Victoria, reaching 95% of eligible services, with thousands of young people being referred. More than 1,500 young people have come onto the MOST platform. In terms of the team to deliver on all of that, we've grown very quickly as well. We now have more than 100 people delivering on this pretty aspirational mission. So one of the really unique things about the MOST platform is that it can provide support to a young person across different stages of their journey. It can be there for them as soon as they come into the system and maybe waiting for support from a face-to-face clinician. It can be there alongside the face-to-face support they're getting, and it can also help them as they're stepping out of care or progressing in their recovery. So it really does work across the spectrum of needs. The third thing I wanted to talk about was just some of our future growth opportunities in Origin Digital. So, one of the most exciting things we have in front of us is expanding our services to truly be national and a sustainable part of the system. We've made a great start in Victoria, but as I said, we've had huge amounts of support from state government and philanthropic funders. So, we really want to grow not just the MOST platform, but other new services to be available to young people really across this country. Another stream to our work, and it's been very heavily focused on the research area, but it's soon going to be leading to new exciting pilots, is in virtual reality and the work that we're doing to use virtual and augmented reality tools to address young people's mental health. So we really are very excited about everything that's been achieved recently, and we know that technology can play a really important part of the youth mental health sector, but there's still so much demand, so much more work to do. So we're ready to roll up our sleeves and make it all happen.